If you are using a device running OneUI, Samsung's Good Lock application is a must-have. As far as tweaks, customization, and making your device look cool and operate the way you want it to be concerned, in this video we are going to be taking a look at the features that were brought to Good Lock to kick off 2023. Since Good Lock is only available in 5 countries, we will be using the alternate solution, which is Nice Lock. Alright, so starting things off with One Hand Operation Plus, you can now add a couple of new functions to the swipe gestures. You can add the move screen function, which allows you to zero in on whatever you want. Basically, it's a very interesting addition, and you can now trigger keyboard shortcuts. Think of this as customizable hotkeys. You can change on a per app basis. Navigating apps like web browsers can become a little easier with this, especially with one hand use. Next up is Theme Park. There's a new Explore More Wallpapers feature, which is nice. There is a lot of stuff to discover in here, and one of the best things you can do with the theme park is using a third-party icon pack you find on the Play Store with the stock OneUI launcher. But now you can change the icons individually. So if you want the phone app icon to be from one icon pack and the calendar application to be from the other one at the same time, you can do that, and it's easy to make it happen. You can kind of make your own icon pack in that way. Speaking of the launcher, with Home Up, you can now swap the normal horizontal page-centric app drawer with a vertically scrolling list, and you can adjust the amount of columns you want. We would like to see some more functionality, like being able to swipe the app drawer back down and away, and the ability to hide that priority app portion of the top. Alright, so next is the Registar, which is a new addition to the Good Lock series. This module allows you to change the layout of settings menu, but the main feature is to take screenshot from tagging on the back of the phone. It's the same as you see an iPhone, with both options for double tap and triple tap. In the Sound Assistant module, you will find a new voice changer feature. You've got 9 different voice filters to choose from, and whenever you're using the microphone, a notification will pop up allowing you to swap it between different voices. It's pretty silly, but it's still fun to use. In the Wonderland module, you can now set a portrait shot that you've taken as your wallpaper as a 3D parallax effect. And while in my experience, at least it could use some work, but it is a nice idea for sure. With the Clockface module, you can now sync the clock style on your lock screen and always on display with the Clockface on your Galaxy watch. And the last, we're looking at the Keys Cafe. With this, you can now create your own sticker packs. So if you like using stickers, you can make your own using photos from the gallery to be used with the Samsung keyboard and in whatever apps you like using stickers in. Good Lock is loaded with all kinds of neat yet powerful customization, and these new additions here barely scratch the surface. Again, if you want to watch the detailed videos, I will leave the link in the description down below. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Take care and stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.